Guys, so today I'll be teaching you how to make scrambled eggs in a microwave, okay? So I'm going to go get the eggs out. Well, I have to get the other one out, so make sure you get ham or vegetable oil. See? Ham or vegetable oil. Because you want to make sure it doesn't stick. So you got that, and you also gonna need a bowl. So I got my bowl. Make sure you shake it up just in case. This is what you do, you shake it up. This is what I'm doing. So you get this, right? And then you do this. You just spray it around the sides like that. Just watch it come down. So it's like little dots that you can see. This is what you do. So you get a napkin. This like paper towel. So this is what you do. Let me get this out your way. And so this is what you do. You get your eggs. Then you're going to just spread it. Like just spread it around the thing. You don't think you're wiping it off, it isn't. It's just spreading it around. It might just come off, but it's like sorry. So that's good, and so let's add my eggs. So let me get this back. So yeah. Only got one egg. I'm just kidding. I got more eggs in the refrigerator. Then put this over here. So I'm going to show you how to crack it because it's like a certain way that it helps it clean up and not have no mess. So you crack it, right? Right. You see this crack? You push through it. And then you split it apart. Right. You split it apart. Make sure no shells. This is what I do. I close it back. Then I just do that so all the yolk will come out. See? And that's pretty easy. So let me go get my other ones. So I got my eggs. Put the fuller pack. Here's another one. Make sure you don't get no shells in it. So I'm making 3 eggs. Boy, get that thing away from me. I'm sorry, guys. I ain't gonna let this thing eat me. So yeah, back to the thing. Okay, look at that. Just so I'm gonna put these. So I'm gonna put these back. So I want to get a fork. A spoon will work too, but a spoon. I'll get a fork, but if you have you don't have no forks, you can use a spoon. But I only use a fork because look, you see all the yellow yolks in it. Because I don't want like to spill. No, it spilled. No, no. Oh well. It's easy to clean up. So yeah, this is a video about cleaning up yolk and eating it. So this is how you clean it. You just lay a paper towel and it just, if you pound it, do not like pound it hard. So you still want it to float. Just have to to clean up this mess real quick. Don't worry, guys. I'll come back to the video. So yeah, you see that. So this is what you, when you start getting to it, you want to press hard. Press hard. Ew. Press hard. Yeah, you want to get it. You want to get it. You want to get it. You want to get it.
Okay, use the microwave.
Yeah. I'm just cleaning up because I spilled something. So yeah, I'm just cleaning this up.
You gonna stick it in the microwave now?
No.
Oh, can I use the microwave?
Sure. So that's my mom. So this is what I'm doing. I just get the yellow yolk. Just bringing it up like that. Bringing it up. And so that makes it better. Just to stir. Stir, 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 stir. So yeah, stir it up. I don't want to waste the fork, so I'm just gonna get a napkin and I'm gonna wash this. I'm gonna do that, and my mom just put it in the microwave. And so do not judge me, but I like garlic pepper on my eggs. It's just something about it, okay? So I'm just putting a little bit, and then I'm gonna whisk it. So yeah, I love it. So don't judge me. You should actually really try it. Garlic pepper, now powder. I just want to make sure y'all hear that. Some people use garlic powder, which they should supposed to use garlic pepper. So I just put a little bit in my egg so I can already get the flavor in there with the eggs when it cooks. So it gets the thing in the air. So I'm just adding a little more. So I got a grinder, and so yeah. Done. Excuse me, Mom. You take your shower yet? So yeah, we're just gonna wait until my mom's food. So yeah. So I'll see you in a second. Hey guys, it's me back. I know I didn't cook my eggs yet, but if you like cheese, put cheese. Put cheese. So this is how I put my cheese on there. Excuse me, Mommy. Why'd you use my fork?
It's yours?
Yes.
Oh, you want it?
Never mind.
Oh, I'm sorry. My bad.
If you see it sitting there, you don't pick it up. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. Wait, just hold on for a second. Okay, so you want to, if you like cheating your eggs, just do this. So you get your fork. So you put it in your yolk. Put it in your yolk. And so this is what you do. You put it down below the yolk. Because you want it to be soaked.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. So you see, I soaked that in. So if you want extra cheese, like I do, just do it. But yeah. Because I want to surprise, so when you cook it right, it surprises you. So and then, so when you cut it open, it starts to melt cheese out. So that's what I do. Just adding this in real quick. So yeah. So bye. I'm gonna bring you to my mom. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. this cord again, dude. Make it so complicated. Okay.